Hey, Jim, can you get Ralph? Can you get Ralph?
Ralph, word? Oh, he's probably by the red truck.
So what do you think?
That looks good, doesn't
You
it?
like that?
Yeah, it looks really good. That looks, man, that is slick. You guys did a good job.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. That's hard to believe. That's awesome.
There's two gentlemen in the office that wanted to see you.
I'll be right out. So on a scale of 1 to 10 right now, what would you think?
11.
11?
Yeah. That is just. That's
Oh,
awesome.
everyone's supposed to see this thing till we're done, but he's over here looking at it.
Yeah, I can't help it. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Man, that thing looks awesome, Ralph. It looks really good. I told you last time I saw the pictures that she posted of it. It's just surreal. It's hard to believe.
Kinda gets
It's gonna-
shiny in it.
It's gotten really shiny. It looks really good. It looks better than when in the pictures that she sent after it was painted. I mean, that thing is. It turned. What do you think? It turned out good. Look good. It looks nice and flat. It looks good. Okay. 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 Yeah. All right. But man, that thing looks.
Now we're gonna put your fender wells back.
Okay. Yeah.
Your braces, we got some sub braces. We still have to put
Okay.
there. And we're gonna undercoat the floor inside and underneath, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much more time is it gonna be?
I'm trying to get this Jimmy's doing this.
Okay.
Excellent job.
Man, that thing looks good.
Yeah.
That's hard to believe. That's hard to believe. That's the same car.